how do you see at this time the mutual fund participation going forward? Prices have corrected across the commodities, demand supply curve have shifted, haywire here and there, and it will take time. Do you think this is the really ability to move at this uncertain point of time, and when prices of commodities are trading on the lower side in most of the commodities, the right time to mutual fund to pitch in and help market to stabilize with channelizing more money into the commodity derivative segment?
Yeah, hi Kapil, and good evening to all of you. And thank you all for joining. And uh, it's very interesting phase for me, especially into the mutual fund perspective. Since it's been 2 months that we are up as a first mutual fund in the industry and started to participate into commodities market. The experience started well with March, but then by the time we moved on to later part of the March and then now April and now May again. So I think of course, Sunil was talking about the online business is going on, but yes, they rightly said the most important factor for commodities market that has been really hit is the physical market closer. And because of this current lockdown, we are seeing almost all the physical markets getting closed. In fact, just to share one experience, some weeks before that. While we were participating in some commodities trade and we were trying to figure out the physical price of a particular commodity, we were not able to find that price in the market because the markets were closed, and it actually impacted a loss in terms of calculating our valuation. So basically the absence of physical market has really been very impactful for us. As Sunil was also mentioning right now, the exchange turnover has come down. I'm sure the exchange turnover has come down is majorly because why the physical participation is not there. Physical markets are shut, and what I could see is that new stocks are not able to be deposited at the exchange warehouses. However, it used to be in the previous months or previous years. So when I look at the exchange warehouse stocks, they are still definitely low and vis-a-vis the previous months. And this is all happening because there is no warehousing happening, there is no movement, everything is locked down basically, and that is the reason the price impact is also seen very aberrantly. And we are seeing prices moving volatile, prices not steady, it's not moving exactly in the trend of the way the supply demand trend of a particular commodity should behave for a price. That's absolutely market is haywire. So I think we have been seeing this challenge for the last 2 months, and we have to accept the fact that probably we are living with this sort of scenario in the near to medium term kind of thing. Looks like the way these stimulus packages are coming from the government side, and looks like everyone is putting their maximum effort to rebuild everything. But the economic revival or things to come in normal might take couple of months. I don't want to be seeming very positive here, but I think next 3 4 months is something that one has to see on. Yes, working from home has been a new experience for me. I'm sure many in this commodity industry people, because it's a new normal now. We are working. I think if I could tell you about myself, my number of working hours, which used to be 8 9 hours a day, it has actually gone to 15 16 hours a day now, because you have to manage a lot of things from the laptop and computer. So the experience has been good. We never expected this commodities market will also face so much. We thought that equities markets are declining, financial markets are declining, but commodities market price falling, rising. Besides that, the participation of physical market not being there is definitely having a major impact on the market, and thereby the derivatives markets are also getting impacted. So I think, as I said, we'll have to wait and watch. We'll have to go smooth, and then we'll have to live with the current scenario that things will have to be normal, which will take a couple of months from here. And as far as trend is concerned, of course, the most of the prices of the commodities have declined. It's not just that the pandemic has made the prices to decline. The current season also, we are in the month of May, and then Rabi season is getting over, and we will see some price correction, which we have been seeing some impact on the prices. I think that's fair enough. But then, as a fund manager, I think we'll have to seek some opportunities, whichever commodity looks better amongst the all to participate, so we can look at that. And with this current development, when physical market not being running effectively, so I think some opportunities in terms of arbitrage trade, or some opportunity in terms of calendar spreads moving in favor sometimes, or it's moving with carry or without carry. So certain opportunities have to be taken care now, and we are still optimistic about it. We have just started our 2 months experience in trading or investing into commodities market, both agriculture and non-agriculture commodities have been so far great. We are happy about that. And certain infrastructure challenges which we are facing, being the first mutual fund in the industry where the regulator is experiencing new things, the exchange is also experiencing a lot of new things. Our custodian is also experiencing a lot of new challenges. So I think I would always remember throughout my life the first mutual fund guy who had participated into commodities market and sorting a lot of experiences in the market and a lot of new things which I'm seeing as a challenge, and it's being taken care. I'm sure it is all being taken care with the help of regulator, exchange, my trading member, my clearing member, and our custodian. So thanks to everybody, and things are going normal. I think next 2 3 months, I think we may have to suffer like this, or maybe we have to adjust accordingly our life with this. But then I think as we progress, maybe 3 4 months down the line from here, things will be normal, and then we are very positive about agriculture, non-agriculture commodities, and we are looking forward to have more in-depth work on this.